Can you let me know if you can hear me now? Please let me know if you can hear me. I will not be able to know if you can till you tell me. Great. Thanks, Salman. So we'll wait as people join in. But आज जो मैंने बात करनी थी, as you would have seen on my story, is about breaking societal expectations. Thank you. So we need to be able to. We can only do that if you're able to understand the root issue कि कहाँ गलती हो रही है. And so I think this live I'm going to be discussing my point of view and my take on how to be able to do it. Just before we start, I would like to say that I'm speaking from my own life experience. I don't just say things I don't mean. So मैंने इन चीज़ों को कहीं ना कहीं अपनी लाइफ में ज़रूर अप्लाई किया होगा, टेस्ट किया होगा, उसको क्वेश्चन किया होगा. Like everyone who knows me knows कि मैं बहुत क्वेश्चनिंग करती हूँ, मैं बहुत बस हमेशा अटकी रहती हूँ कि ये क्यों है वो क्यों है. And I live a very conscious life. So you will never hear me say anything I do not believe. ठीक है? So today, as I said, we're going to talk about societal expectations and breaking free from it. और मुझे main मसला इस issue में ये है कि हम इस बारे में बात बहुत करते हैं. I hear everyone talking about कि ये अच्छा नहीं है, नहीं करना चाहिए और इससे break free करना चाहिए. You should live an empowered life. Yet so many people, and the very same people, are actually stuck in that cycle. Hi Meetu, thank you for joining. So like I was saying, we're going to talk about breaking free from societal expectations. And despite people talking about it, कि हमें नहीं करना चाहिए, हमें लोगों की नहीं सुननी चाहिए, लोगों का काम है कहना, we don't really break free of that cycle. And why is it? Why is it that we are recognizing a wrong pattern? We are recognizing something bad in the society, yet we're not able to break free from it. ठीक है? So I think मैं usually औरतों के point of view से ही बात करूँगी क्योंकि मैं औरत हूँ और I've lived that life, right? औरतों के पास बहुत कम life experiences हैं. हम बस पैदा होते हैं, उसके बाद थोड़े से बड़े होके माँ बाप के लिए ज़िंदगी जीते हैं, फिर अपने मियाँ के लिए, फिर बच्चे के लिए, फिर हम मर जाते हैं. And that's the database that we have in our life. So I think the main problem for women is कि हमारे जो आप जिनको कहते हो foundational four corners वो missing है, which is like basically आपके foundational beliefs, आपकी foundational values, जिसके against you can judge whatever is being said to you. ठीक है? Wait, तो मेरा दरवाजा खुल गया. So हमारा वो foundational four corners जो हैं हर किसी के होने बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. And to be able to get to that point, उसके लिए हमें बहुत चीज़ें चाहिए जो औरतों के पास नहीं हैं. We have no knowledge, practical knowledge. We have no wisdom. Hi Mariam. So we as women lack a lot of knowledge. We have no wisdom. We have no research. We have no learning through trial and error. जो एक trial and error आपका आता है लाइफ में कदम रख के, mistakes करके, सीख के and everything. We don't have that data set. So उसकी वजह से हमारे वो जो foundational four corners हैं जिसमें आपके basic beliefs and values होती हैं वो हमारी missing हैं. And that is when, hi Sabah, hello. So yes, I was talking कि हमारे foundational beliefs and values missing हैं. And that is when we will actually fall prey to society and whatever the society tells us to do. और मैं साइड पे अपने पॉइंट्स लिखे मैं उसको देख रही हूँ. थोड़ा सा साइड थोड़ा. अच्छा, अब मसला इस बात में ये है जहाँ से अब वी नीड टू रियली फिगर आउट द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. हमारा बड़ा मसला ये है कि हम मुसलमान हैं, हम अपने आप को मुसलमान कहते हैं. बट द फनी थिंग अबाउट दिस इज कि हमें बस ये पता है कि हम मुसलमान पैदा हुए हैं, कि देयर इज अ गॉड जिसको हमने एक दिन आंसरेबल होना है. किस लेवल का आंसरेबल होना है, वी आर नॉट वेरी कॉन्शियस ऑफ दैट. बस हमें पता है कि एक अल्लाह है और कि कुछ रिचुअल्स हैं जिनको हमने पूरा करना है टू बी एबल टू क्वालिफाई एज अ मुस्लिम एंड से कि ओ मैंने मुसलमान वाली जिंदगी गुजारी. बट यहाँ पे जो है बहुत बड़ी हम गलती कर रहे हैं. जिंदगी में अल्लाह ताला ने आपको भेजा है टू बी एबल टू गो मेक मिस्टेक्स, लर्न, गेन नॉलेज, गेन विजडम एंड देन अपने आप को अंदर से फुलफिल किया जाए. ठीक है, नॉट मटीरियलिस्टिकली, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नॉलेज एंड इल्म जिसको अल्लाह ताला कहते हैं. ठीक है, सो गॉड्स टेस्ट इज ट्रूली अबाउट सीकिंग नॉलेज एंड विजडम. और जब हम इसको इतना डंप डाउन कर देते हैं अल्लाह ताला के टेस्ट को टू अ फ्यू रिचुअल्स एंड जस्ट नेमिंग किड्स एज with Muslim names, then I think I truly believe that we are insulting God and His test. Astaghfirullah. Hi, welcome. So, I think because of that lack of understanding of what it means to be a Muslim, of what it means, of the test that God has put you through, we are not doing sufficient soul searching. We are not going deeper. We are not living our lives to the fullest potential and learning through trial and error. ठीक है, और जब आप ये नहीं करते हो तो फिर एक होल होता है आपकी जिंदगी में, आपकी सोल के अंदर भी एक होल रह जाता है जहाँ पे आपके अपने बिलीव्स और वैल्यूज होने चाहिए थे, जहाँ पे आपके अपने फाउंडेशनल फोर कॉर्नर्स होने चाहिए थे. वहाँ पे एक वैक्यूम होता है जहाँ पे फिर अदर पीपल recognize that hole and then they will exploit it and start filling it up. Now they don't have to have a bad intention of filling it up. Okay, oh, with a bad intention, मैंने इसको brainwash करना है. It's just the way nature works. When there is a void, something will come fill it up. You decide who's going to fill that up. Is it going to be you who are going to fill up your own void, or are you going to let society fill up that void? Hi Simreen, I don't know how to do a live video. If you're here, just say hi in the comments. Let me know where you're from actually. I'm not aware of where most of my followers are. So just write down where you're from Pakistan, from Australia. And then maybe in the end, when I do the question and answer part, then we can have a chat and I can try that live video thing that you're requesting for. Also, let me know if you would want me to download this live stream and then upload it to YouTube maybe as a whole session so you can go through it in one go. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Oh, Texas! Texas में भी time क्या हुआ है? I'm really curious. Because I have my brother-in-law there. And I know it would be very early, I guess, or very late, either of them. 4 a.m. What are you doing up at 4 a.m.? Is it like, oh, Islamabad? How's the weather in Islamabad? Abhi tak I've heard itni thand padni nahi shuru hui. So, how's the smog? How's the smog in Pakistan? That's the big question. So, while you answer, अच्छा हाँ ठीक है, उधर तो अमेरिका में भी न्यू ईयर्स ईव की रात होगी. वाओ, आई एम कीपिंग यू अप स्टिल. थैंक यू फॉर स्टेइंग अप एंड लिसनिंग टू मी एंड गिविंग मी योर टाइम. रियली अप्रिशिएटेड. हाय फातिमा, वेलकम वेलकम. So, resuming my talk. Hi Hannah. So, resuming my talk, I was in a gist saying कि हम औरतों की foundational values और beliefs नहीं होते हैं, and that's where we have that void in our soul, जहाँ फिर society आके उसको fill up करना शुरू करती है. That is how nature works. ज़रूरी नहीं है जो दूसरा इंसान आपके void को fill कर रहा है उसकी bad intention हो. It's just how nature works. Wherever there's a void, you will attract something over there to fill it up. So आपने decide करना है कि वो void आप fill up करोगे या कोई और करेगा. और आई थिंक ये एक्चुअली कब स्टार्ट होता है, नाउ इफ यू रियली गो डीप इनटू दिस डज नॉट स्टार्ट इन अडल्टहुड, ठीक है. I think actually the whole system that we've put together actually starts when we start putting kids in school. It also started for us when we went to school, because school का जो system है, it does not, क्या कहेंगे, it is not conducive to learning through exploration. It's not conducive to learning through trial and error, ठीक है. The system will shun you for making any mistakes, for not knowing all the answers all the time. Okay? It closes all doors to creativity and learning through mistakes. These things that I've mentioned, you know, making mistakes, learning through trial and error, and using your creativity is how you actually explore life and then get enough data to build that foundational four corners, that foundational values, that foundational beliefs. And I think our school system really screws us over. It does not equip us with that skill. अब मैं अगर पाकिस्तान, और ये स्कूल सिस्टम पाकिस्तान में बहुत बुरा है. मेरे बच्चे इधर हैं in Melbourne. Their school system is very different. They are taught from kinder कि अगर आपको ये मसला है, ये प्रॉब्लम है, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व इट. सेम लाइक सिंपल सी प्रॉब्लम है कि आपसे लेटर्स नहीं लिखे जा रहे. ओके, लेट्स फाइंड अ वे एंड फिगर आउट हाउ यू कैन write it properly. अच्छा, आपसे numbers add up नहीं हो रहे. Okay, let's find an answer through creativity to be able to answer that equation. ठीक है, यहाँ पे रट्टा system नहीं है, यहाँ पे learning through trial and error है. So my kids have a very different mindset. They have a mindset of just we'll figure it out. We'll figure out the answer, problem चाहे जो मर्जी हो. और पाकिस्तान में ये नहीं है. पाकिस्तान में बहुत फर्क सिस्टम है. And I think वहाँ से ही ये स्कूल सिस्टम से सारा शुरू होता है. Because when you're not allowed to make mistakes, when you are expected to have all the answers all the time, वरना फिर आपको जज किया जाता है, right? That creates this fear of failing and the fear of being judged by people. And that is where we actually start the cycle. That is where the cycle begins. Hello everyone. I'm trying to wave to everyone who joins. I think I will be posting this live video on maybe YouTube for you to be able to catch up to what I've said so far and see it in your own time. But abhi baat ho rahi thi school system ki and how actually they lay the foundation for us failing in life and giving into societal expectations and opinions, because we don't have that space to make mistakes and build on our opinions. And opinions and beliefs take time to build up on. और वो जो है हम बचपन से ही उसका रास्ता जो है रोक देते हैं. Okay, so sorry. So I'll read what I've written here. And so when we become adults, it freaks us out if we make a mistake. It freaks us out for not having an answer or logic to counter societal opinions. That fear shuts down our nervous system and forces us to cave into an opinion, be it a very liberal one or very conservative one. ठीक है? So ये दोनों के लिए apply करता है. And this is like research, proper research, where they are telling you that any kind of stress, anxiety, fear of being judged does shut down your nervous system. जब आपका nervous system shut down हो जाता है, you allow anyone to come in and feed in any opinion, brainwash you in any way, क्योंकि you go like, oh मुझे तो उसका आंसर नहीं पता, ये कह रहा है लेकिन मेरे पास इसका कोई अच्छा जवाब नहीं है, तो शायद यही सही होगा. ओके फाइन, मैं मान लेती हूँ. And also the fear of being judged, right? And I think I'll end it here for now. I think we've established enough in like points where it begins, what's going wrong, and if we want to change this system, how to change it. How to change it, we need to recognize that we are Muslims and we have a bigger purpose in life, a bigger purpose of going out, learning through trial and error, and seeking real ilm and wisdom through our own experiences, not through what others have gone through. वैसे ना पाकिस्तान में बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात है, दूसरे लोगों ने भी जिंदगी नहीं जी भी, उनकी भी ओपिनियंस अपनी नहीं होती, लेकिन वो आपके ऊपर ऐसे ओपिनियंस अपनी ठोसते हैं जैसे उन्होंने जिंदगी जी भी है, और वो अपने डेटा सेट्स और अपने बिलीव्स को एनालाइज करके आपको बता रहे हैं ये करो ये ना करो. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पाकिस्तान में कोई बिजनेस नहीं करता, लेकिन अगर कोई उठ के आ जाए कि मैंने बिजनेस करना है, आपकी पहली ओपिनियन होती है ओ भाई बिजनेस ना करना, बहुत बड़ा मुश्किल है. ओ भाई आपने कभी ट्राई किया? नहीं. Yet you say it with such confidence कि बिजनेस ना करना, है ना. And it's like, अच्छा फिर ये इस फील्ड में ना जाना. Like I remember when I was growing up, फैशन डिजाइनिंग में मत जाना, फैशन डिजाइनिंग की कोई स्कोप नहीं है. And that was I think in 2005 and 2006. और अभी फैशन इंडस्ट्री was just rising, ठीक है ना, अभी बहुत स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री थी वो. And within 5 years, it became such a big industry. It became such a big industry. But हम इतने confidence से बोलते हैं ना, like, I don't know. Maybe that's also another reason why we give in to people's opinion. Because confidence पाकिस्तानी में बहुत है, वो मैं दाद देती हूँ, you know. क्या कहेंगे? Confidence that is not even based on wisdom and knowledge. It's just, पता नहीं किसी चीज़ का गुरूर आप कह लो कि वो है. Anyways, the last thing I would tell you is that when we actually let people give in, like fill in that void and brainwash us and feed us their opinions, I'm trying to wave to everyone. So actually when we let that happen, we start giving up our free will. एंड इस दुनिया में टेस्ट ही आपकी फ्री विल का है. अल्लाह ताला ने आपको पूरी फ्री विल दी है. अगर ऑनेस्टी में कोई मिस्टेक होती भी है, अल्लाह ताला उसको नहीं लाइक क्वेश्चनेबल ठहराएंगे. जस्ट टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, बी हैव एन ऑनेस्ट इंटेंशन एंड गो लर्न थ्रू मिस्टेक्स. इट इज फाइन टू मेक दैट मिस्टेक. But when we give up our free will because we are too scared to make that mistake, I personally think that we are telling God that we don't like your plan, that we don't like your test, and we are just outright rejecting it. We have said to him indirectly that your plan makes us uncomfortable, so I'm not interested. I will let others do the uncomfortable job for me by dictating to me on how I should live my life. I'm not going to do that. And that is, I think, the worst possible thing we can do. Because इसी plan के through you can actually tap into your potential, break into a very creative zone and do amazing things that your mind is capable of. But the starting point is that we have to accept that plan of using our free will. And no matter how uncomfortable it makes us, no matter how fearful it makes us of being judged, we go and do it. और ये जो लोगों का fear है, इसमें like अब तो like there's research in science and psychology that if you have a fear of something, do exposure therapy. What is exposure therapy? Exposure therapy is basically that you start exposing yourself little by little to the thing that you are afraid of. ठीक है, जिस तरह अगर आपको सांप का डर है, you know, आप उसकी पिक्चर्स देखना शुरू करो, आप उसकी कोई थोड़ी मूवीज देखना शुरू करो, then go visit a snake in the zoo. Eventually you reach a point where you'll be like, okay, I'll maybe go see a person who has some snakes on display. Maybe I'll just see it live. ठीक है, so exposure therapy really works. And so I know, again, I will remind you, I will not say anything that I do not believe in. I have lived through these experiences. I have that personal database, and that's where I'm speaking from. मेरे पास कोई book नहीं है. These are just my own opinions that I've written down in a Word document. I don't copy anyone. या books में से direct लाइनें लगाना कि oh, I think this is good, but yet not follow it through. ठीक है, so it is difficult. The fear of people and society is real. It can eat you in from the inside. And that's where I'm saying you need to hold on to God. Because nothing can eat you up, nothing can make you fearful as long as you hold on to God. And ये भी एक बात है, you know, लोगों का डर हम दिल में पाल लेते हैं and we don't realize, is it shirk? कि हम अल्लाह ताला का डर नहीं अपने दिल में रख रहे हैं, हम लोगों का डर अपने दिल में ज़्यादा रख रहे हैं. Anyway, so I think that was enough for today. For those of you who are still here, please pop in your questions. I would love to have a conversation. But before I do, and I know that many of you will say, easier said than done, or that the pain you know is better than the pain you don't know. And I get that. I totally get that. But I will tell you from first-hand experience that one of the pain will enslave you to others, will enslave you to people. And the other pain of finding yourself, of trial and error, of making mistakes, of making your own decisions, will empower you in the end. And as an aurat, if you are empowered, your kids will be empowered. And we cannot, gamble that. That is a very big responsibility that we have when we have kids. We need to be able to empower them. And currently we do not have the skill to do that. So, yeah. For those of you who are still here, I have my newsletter coming out tomorrow. And if you have not subscribed, you can DM me inbox me your email ID. And I will send you the newsletter, the weekly newsletters where I share my thoughts, and we can exchange views on things that you might agree with, disagree with. And that's where the conversation really starts, learn to agree, to disagree. If you have any questions, do comment below. Hi, Samreen. I don't know if you're still here. And I will be doing this live session every Wednesday, 9 p.m. Australia time and 3 p.m. Pakistan time. So this is my first session. I've never done a live session before, maybe a very long time ago. And I was so nervous actually. Record karke reel dalna ya story dalna is very different than being live, making dumb mistakes and just having a twisty tongue. But thank God it went fine. I'm here if you have any questions. Okay, that is a good question. That is a very good question. How to choose faith over fear. Okay, this I'm going to note down, and maybe I'll do a targeted video on this. You choose faith over fear by going to bed every night, talking to yourself before bed every time. रात को हमेशा बेड में जाने से पहले talk to yourself, talk to your soul, talk to your God. That's what worked for me. All I knew was God is beautiful. God wants the best for everyone. And there's so many noises out there, some religious, some liberal, and they will lead you different ways. And I didn't know which voice to pick. And fear उसी में आता है कि किस तरफ जाना है, किसकी सुनूं. And the only thing I could do was just talk to myself before going to bed and be like, God, I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just putting my faith in you. That's all you have to do. You talk to yourself and God every night and put your fear in his lap, in God's lap. And I tell you that lightens your heart like anything. There's no beating putting your faith in God. Just verbally shuru karo. And I know there are rituals out there, but हम जिस robotic तरीके से नमाज़ें पढ़ते हैं, rituals करते हैं, they do nothing for our faith. Which is an interesting point actually. जब हज़ूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के आने से पहले, उनके ऊपर नबूवत आने से पहले, actually मक्का के लोग नमाज़ें पढ़ते थे, रोज़े रखते थे. And that's where I think we as Muslims are now. हम नमाज़ें पढ़ते हैं, हम rituals करते हैं, but our faith is near to non-existent. So I would say use your own language, be it English, be it Urdu, be it Arabic, whatever. Before going to bed, talk to God in your own words, in your own language, heart to heart. Scarf? If you can elaborate on that, I have no idea what you just said. So I hope you got your answer. What's your name? Diary of a Boss Mom. I will need to look up your profile. And do you have a name on your profile? I can't keep calling you Diary of a Boss Mom. Do let me know in the comments what your name is. Okay, Fatma. And I think you would be really sleepy by now, but I hope you have your answer. If you would like to discuss it further, just come into my inbox. We can have a chat. I'm always available in my inbox. And for those of you who missed the part, I have a newsletter coming out tomorrow. It's a weekly newsletter every Thursday. So if you want to subscribe, just leave your email ID in my inbox. And do leave me your feedback. Go back, leave your feedback in my inbox or on my videos or on my story. And I really want this to be a place where we all can share our opinions. I don't want to be the only one who's talking. I want to learn from you guys as well. I want to be asked questions that can also make me question a few things, right? So I want it to be a community where the knowledge goes back and forth between everyone who is active on my profile. So do leave me your feedback, do leave me your questions. It will help me a lot. I'm trying to achieve something here with this Instagram account, and I hope I'm able to do it, but I will need your support. I will need your feedback, and that will be much appreciated. So if you have no further questions, I will wait a minute or two and then maybe we can wrap this up. Do you guys want me to put this live on YouTube as a whole video? If you would like to have this video posted on YouTube as a whole video so you can watch in your own time and interact with the video on your own availability, let me know. I'm more than happy to do that. I just thought of it this day. I'm like, maybe I should post my live video. I'm not sure. Your feedback is much appreciated. For those of you who are joining now, okay, done.